Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Cara. It's Friendship Any Day, and we have some surprise mail from my dear crafty friend Cornflower Crafts, and I have a special guest here to help me unbox. Say hi to my daughter Emmy.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, we're so excited. This beautiful scrapbook album was gifted to us last year. So Corn, thank you very much. We're a big fan of her gnomies. We have one of her beautiful gnomes that she made for her. It's for us, it's Hyacinth. And that little guy there is Randall. Now, who is this cutie? This is a part of Emmy. You go ahead and tell them who this is.
Sunny Angel.
It's a Sunny Angel. It's part of her collection. Now look at her tail. And look at that hat. Isn't she adorable? Well, we are going to open this up. Emmy, are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh, Corn had messaged me and said she had sent some fun supplies for me and Emmy and handmade items. If you guys know her channel, oh my gosh, when it comes to packaging and everything, oh my gosh. Yeah, oh my goodness. Let's look for the card first.
Oh,
for Emmy, okay.
Oh my god, that's such a cute stamp.
Look at that.
This is so well decorated.
Emmy, I know. Okay, you open it up and then we can read it off camera first. Real quick, we want to show you first what these look like. Oh my gosh. Super amazing.
They're all like candy themed.
This is a pocket. And look what it says. I love that. What does it say?
Donut worry eats.
I love that.
And then
what else? Oh, there's a note there. Okay, go ahead and show them. Oh, how cute. Beautiful ephemera stickers. Love it. Oh, how cute. We're going to be right back. We're going to read the note. Oh my gosh, we're super excited. Thank you so much, Corn. Let's open it up. I'm going to see what this is first real quick before we open everything. Look at the decorations she's done here with the lace. The birds, she knows I love birds, and I'm guessing this is mine. She's embossed. Look at the texture, Ems. Yeah. Let me open it up. Oopsie. Oh my gosh, the excitement.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. And there's her maker's mark, handmade by Corn. Let me read this also off camera. All right, so let's start with this one, Ems. Home is where the cookies are. Who's it for?
Me.
To Emmy. So go ahead and open.
Swirly. With
I know. I love her saying. Did you see the bunny? Look at this. She handmade that.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Do you want to take that off and then see what's in there? Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
It's like Christmas hair.
Okay.
Thank you, Corn.
Thank you, Corn.
What is in here? Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god, bookmarks! I needed bookmarks actually.
And look!
They're gnomes and yarn. Oh my god. These are so cute. Little like puppy
That
stickers.
is adorable.
Oh my
Oh my god.
Here's
Now you have another one. Is that what you need?
my 5mm.
You lost it.
Oh
Thank you, Corn. She's like your craft supply fairy.
Oh my god.
Do you want to open that next? Or that one? Okay, go ahead. It says Emmy.
Thank
Oh my gosh. Show it over here, honey. Yeah. Let's save that so you can put it in your... Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, so pretty.
Which way does this go?
Whatever you want.
Whatever. I'm gonna flip it. Yarn! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Show everybody here. Oh.
It matches like the whole like color.
I know. It's all color coordinated. This is the yarn bee. So if you know Corn, she loves bumblebees. So thank you for sharing this hot pink mini maker. Go ahead. I think that might be yours.
I think this might be yours.
Go ahead, baby. Take a look. Let's see the tag. I think this is yours.
Is it?
Yeah. It says for Emmy.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
So you can take that off. Oh my gosh, Em, so excited to do
That's such a cute little ribbon.
I'll save it again here, okay?
Okay. Oh.
That's okay. I love it. Oh my
so
gosh,
cute.
another one of my...
So cute.
Aww. And look, Em, they match with your cutie pie. Sorry. Look at her. So Emmy will make some fun stuff. I see more goodies here, Ems. What's that?
Ooh.
That one. Yeah.
Oh,
That's for
nice.
Emmy.
Oh, little
Oh
beads.
my gosh, Em. So Emmy also likes to make bracelets,
Yeah.
corn. This is really amazing. Bunnies, and these even resemble, like, you know, if you had a squirrel, like
Yeah.
little
That's what I was
acorns. Show it.
So many
Let's show it
rabbits.
up here real quick. Oh, and then look at that tag again.
Oh.
I love her writing.
I think this one's yours because look at the tag.
But there's
'cause-
more here, honey.
Ooh.
That's yours.
Thank you, God. Oh my God, these are so cute. I'm not gonna open it because I don't want it to spill everywhere. Oh my God, that looks like
That
a little
is
like
gorgeous.
pomegranate or something.
Oh my God, yeah.
so cute.
Look
They're,
at
like
the tag
shiny.
again.
Oh, that's so cute.
Thank you, Corn. Then we have this beautiful, she cut apart some scrapbook paper. What a wonderful idea. And look at that topper. That is gorgeous. Wow, this is one of my favorite paper pads that I got long ago from Hobby Lobby. Ours recently
Wow.
closed. And Corn was so sweet to share. I saw her share this paper pad on her Hobby Lobby haul. So thank you very much for sharing these. Look at that, Emmy.
Wow.
Love it. Florals. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Corn. All right, Ems, go ahead and get another present. It looks like that's yours. So,
It has the same
oh my
theme
gosh,
as
show the way
other-
she wrapped it. This is just
so cute.
adorable.
And these are actually like cutouts. It's not
Yeah,
like printed on.
I love it.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I like
Flip
the
it.
little
Let's
star in the
see what it
background.
says. Again, so customized. This is just
Okay, I don't wanna rip
amazing.
the
And
washi.
it comes. It takes so much time and love to put these packages together. So, Corn, we really appreciate it. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Em, are you excited?
You know, I'm gonna open the side that doesn't have a sticker on it.
Oh, I'll help you.
Thank you.
Hopefully. Oh my.
no. Okay.
It's all. Oh wait, let's see if we can get through here. All right, it's
Okay.
all yours.
Thank you. Oh my God! It's a oh my
What's
God!
it
It's
say?
gnome and a crochet theme. Look at that.
Oh
Gnome
my
gets between me and
God.
my yarn. How did you find these?
I told you,
That's
she's so amazing.
cute.
How cute is that? That really matches your theme. So now you have a
Yeah.
notepad. Amazing. So let's see what else is here. I want to make sure if there's anything else for Emmy. Emmy! Oh my goodness. Go ahead, love.
Corn, thank you. Oh my God. Oh, bees.
Oh, do you see it? Oh my God, that's gorgeous, Emmy.
Oh, oh,
Whoa,
oh, oh, oh.
whoa.
Whoops.
Let's save that beautiful
Okay.
paper.
Oh no.
Should we go from
Okay,
this side?
okay.
And then you'll unravel. Okay. Wow.
Wow. I think.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Ah, it's blue. You really got like a color palette going on.
That is amazing.
Oh,
Wow, I
this is
can't wait
so
to see what you make.
cute.
And more. I see more.
Okay, I'm gonna predict the color of this one. I think
Okay.
this one
What
is
do you
gonna
think?
be either dark blue or purple.
Okay, let's see what it is. That's
Okay.
good. I love that. You know, when it comes to packages. And,
Okay.
oh, let's see. That's okay.
I'm sorry, Corn.
Yeah! You were right.
Oh, that's so cute.
Let's see the next one.
I finally have more colors of yarn because I used to just have brown,
Yeah,
white,
exactly.
pink, and red.
Wow, then you have a supply for a while. I can't wait to see what
Wait,
you
is this
make.
one mine or is this
Oh, go ahead and flip it. It might be yours.
It
I
might
have
be
a feeling
mine.
it's yours. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Save that bunny.
Thank you.
Look at that bunny as she unravels that packaging. Wow. Oh, how
no.
cute. Nice.
This is your favorite color. And it matches.
It matches our gnomes. Adorable.
Randall.
And I think there's one more there, Ems. Go right ahead and pick that. Wow. Oh, I love that ice cream. Did you see the ice cream truck? Super cute. Look at
That's so
that.
cute. Those
You can
are
use it as
actually
a bookmark.
cupcakes and
Oh, cotton candy. Okay. Clearly, the heat is making me crave ice cream. Oh, wow. That's so cute. Okay, which color do you think it might be?
I think it's gonna match the packaging.
Okay.
That's my thought. Or maybe like yellow.
Okay.
Oh
Oh, how nice.
A
Yes,
nice little
it's really
teal.
close. Wow.
Aqua.
That is an amazing. Let me just put these here so that they can all see this beautiful.
Oh my god.
Wow, Emmy.
That's so sweet. And I'm pretty sure this one's yours because the tags like match.
Oh
we have, like,
my goodness.
It's like we have like
Corn.
because mine are like the sweets and yours are like the birds and
Oh,
like
that
the dark
matches
blue
that. Yeah.
and the flowers.
Beautiful it is, and it says to Cara. So let's open this last but not. Oh my god. I love
Is
the
that a stamp?
bird. No, it's a sticker. It's like a dimensional. It's a foam sticker. That I have to save that.
And it has the doilies again.
Yeah, I love that. Wait, let me put her here for now. There's that beautiful.
God.
Let's see what Corin has shared here. Oh my gosh, Corin, what do we have? Oh my goodness,
God.
much needed. Yes, thank you so much. It's inking little sponges that you use for our Distress Oxide ink. So Corin, thank you. I need this for all the different colors. And what else is here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you did not.
Oh, snowman.
Snowman, she knows how much I love. Oh, look at that. I mean, do you see the tag?
And it's like handmade. It has like the
Everything. So she's done the packaging here as well. You see the
That's
texture.
so cute.
And I love snowmen. Are these buttons? They're buttons. Oh my gosh, something to use for the holidays. And look at how,
Birds.
again, this beautiful snippets that she's put here with these gorgeous kind of crystal looking birds. And last but not least, we have these wooden tags, and I love decoupaging on this with paper napkins, so I cannot wait to craft with these. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Corn. So here's another look at this amazing rack happy mail from Corn. We want to say again, Corn, from the bottom of our heart, a big thank you. Thank you, Corn. We are excited to craft with all the beautiful goodies that you've given to Emmy and myself. And please have a wonderful crafty week. We're sending you big hugs and our big warm regards also to the Gnome crew and Handsome. Take care, guys. Hope you enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. We'll see you soon. Bye.